You all are welcome to क्लियर नर्सिंग। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं डीएसएसबी के नर्सिंग ऑफिसर के एग्जाम के प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन के बारे में, जो कि रिपीटेड पूछे जाते हैं एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट है। तो में 70 क्वेश्चन है, 70 या 71 है क्वेश्चन। आप इसको एक मिनी टेस्ट के रूप में ले सकते हो एंड आप अपनी तैयारी देख सकते हो कि आपको कितनी थ्योरी याद है, कितना आपको प्रैक्टिस है क्वेश्चंस की। अगर आपके 60 से ऊपर नंबर आते हैं तो आप ये समझ जाना कि बहुत अच्छी तैयारी है, आपकी थ्योरी बहुत अच्छी है। अगर आप कम नंबर आते हैं तो प्लीज़ अपनी थ्योरी पे वापस से फोकस करिए, थ्योरी वापस से पढ़िए अच्छे से। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अब फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। एंड इस एग्जाम की नेगेटिव मार्किंग आप 1/4 रख सकते हैं, क्योंकि डीएसएसबी में भी इतनी ही नेगेटिव मार्किंग होती है। तो चलिए पहले क्वेश्चन से अब शुरुआत करते हैं। Which of the following shows that the nurse is listening to the client? Option 1, turning away from the patient. 2, nodding and making eye contact. 3rd, looking out of the window. And 4th, checking the patient case report. तो इसमें से ऑप्शन क्या है, आप वीडियो को पॉज करके भी गैस कर सकते हैं आंसर। तो इसका आंसर है 2, नॉडिंग एंड मेकिंग आई कॉन्टैक्ट इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, अब बात करते हैं फर्दर। दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, द इलनेस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बाय रैपिड ऑनसेट of symptom that are less for a short duration is known as. Option 1, chronic illness. 2, acute illness. 3rd, terminal illness. 4th, age related illness. तो इसका आंसर है acute illness। क्वेश्चन है, which of the following ethical principles refer to keeping one's promises? Option 1, first, beneficence. Option 2, veracity. Option 3rd, fidelity. And option 4th, non-maleficence. इसका आंसर होगा 3rd, fidelity. A nurse who is taking care of a client in a medical unit notices that the client begins to breathe rapidly. Which action by the nurse reflects critical thinking? Option 1, calling the emergency team. 2, notify the physician. 3rd, obtaining vital signs and oxygen saturation. And option 4th, requesting a chest x-ray. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? 3rd, obtaining vital signs and oxygen saturation. Question, resonance is best described as option 1, hollow sound created by air-filled lungs, and option 2, short high-pitch thudding, option 3rd, moderately loud sound with musical quality, and option 4th है drum-like sounds. तो इसका जो आंसर है वो होगा option 1, hollow sound created by air-filled lungs. Next question, which technique is used to palpate lymph node? Option 1, move the flat of all 4 fingers in a vertical motion. 2, use the back of the hand and feel the deformities. Option 3rd, move the pads of 2 fingers in a circular motion. Option 4th है compress the nodes between the index fingers of both hand. इसका आंसर होगा option 3rd, move the pads of 2 fingers in a circular motion. Next question, what is the first aid for a nosebleed? Option 1, make the client lean backward and breathe through the mouth. Option 2, make the client lie down on a flat surface. Option 3rd, encourage the client to drink water and sniff. Option 4th है make the client lean forward and breathe through the mouth. तो इसका आंसर होगा मेक द क्लाइंट लीन फॉरवर्ड एंड ब्रेथ थ्रू द माउथ। ऑप्शन 4th इसका करेक्ट आंसर है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 2 tablespoons are equivalent to how many milliliters? ऑप्शन 1 है 30 ml, ऑप्शन 2 है 25 ml, 40 ml एंड 10 ml। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा? 30 ml। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Z-track intramuscular technique is used in administrating which kind of medication? Option 1, dark colored medication. Option 2, medication more than 5 ml. Option 3rd, medication that have a long absorption time. And option 4th, long-term use medication. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Option 1, dark colored medication is the correct answer for this question. Next question, identify a water soluble vitamin from the following options. तो ऑप्शन 1 है रेटिनॉल, ऑप्शन 2 है कैल्सिफेरॉल, एंड ऑप्शन 3rd है फॉलेट, एंड ऑप्शन 4th है टोकोफेरॉल। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा? फॉलेट। Which of the following is not true of a kwashiorkor? Option 1, silky easily pulled hair. Option 2, monkey face. And option 3rd, poor appetite. And option 4th, edema present on lower limb and arms. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा monkey face, क्योंकि monkey face जो है वो मरासमस में देखने को मिलता है, इसमें नहीं देखने को मिलता। Next question. Which of the following polysaccharides is not digested by human enzymes and is a major constituent of dietary fiber? Option 1 starch, option 2 cellulose, and option 3 fructose, and option 4 dextran. तो इसका correct answer होगा option 2 cellulose. The pyrimidine base present in DNA is option uracil, option 2 thiamine, option 3 adenosine, and option 4 guanine. तो इसका correct answer होगा option 2 thiamine. Next question. A client psychologist conducts an IQ test for 25-year-old client. The result is 78. How is the IQ interpreted? Option 1 superior intelligence, option 2 average intelligence, and option 3 borderline intelligent, option 4 है feeble minded. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा borderline intelligence. Arrange the types of thinking in a sequence from simple to complex. तो ये सारे ऑप्शन आप देख सकते हैं. इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो होगा ऑप्शन 1 knowledge, comprehensive, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. Next question. Which of the following is the mucous lining of a uterine cavity? Option 1 ectometrium, option 2 myometrium, option 3 endometrium, and option 4 perimetrium. तो इसका correct answer होगा endometrium. Option 3. By which week is the highest of a pregnant uterus at the level of umbilicus? जो pregnant uterus है वो level of umbilicus पे कब आ जाएगा उसका height? 16 वीक पे, 20 वीक पे, 24 वीक पे, 28 वीक पे. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा 20 वीक पे. कब आता है? 20 वीक पे हो जाता है. Which of the following is not a sign of actual labor pain? Option 1 pain confined to the lower abdomen and groin, option 2 progressive effacement, and option 3 dilation of internal ovaries, and option 4 formation of bag of water. तो इसका जो correct answer है वो होगा option 1 pain confined to the lower abdomen and groin region. The process when the presentive part sinks into the true pelvis is called option 1 quickening, option 2 loosening, option 3 lightening, and option 4 है floating. Option जो correct answer है वो होगा option 3 lightening. Next question. What is a pregnant lady advised to do at home when she's complained of sudden gush of watery fluid per vagina? Option 1 suggests that is normal occurrence. Option 2 go to the emergency immediately. Option 3 ask her to use a sanitary napkin. Option 4 है advise her to wait for a fluid to stop. तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो होगा ऑप्शन 2 गो टू इमरजेंसी इमिडिएटली, क्योंकि ये लेबर के संकेत दे रहा है, लेबर पेन स्टार्ट होने वाला है. What is the duration of लोकिया सिरोसा? ऑप्शन 1 1 से 4 दिन पे, 5 से 9 दिन पे, 10 से 12 दिन पे, या 13 से 15 दिन पे. तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो होगा 5 से 9 दिन पे लोकिया सिरोसा का ड्यूरेशन होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज पोस्ट मेच्योर प्रेगनेंसी? जब प्रेगनेंसी, पहला ऑप्शन है जब प्रेगनेंसी बियॉन्ड चली जाए 28 वीक के बाद, जब प्रेगनेंसी जो चली जाए बियॉन्ड किसके 40 वीक के बाद, जब प्रेगनेंसी कंटिन्यू बियॉन्ड 37 वीक के बाद, और जब करेक्ट आंसर होगा वो होगा ऑप्शन 4 प्रेगनेंसी दैट कंटिन्यूज beyond 24 complete weeks. And question. Which of the following initial nursing action is to be performed when a nurse notices that umbilical cord protruding from the vagina while performing a vaginal assessment on a pregnant lady in labor? Option 1 perform per vaginal examination, option 2 gently push the cord into vagina, option 3 place the client in a Tendelberg position, option 4 है lower the foot of the bed. तो अगर आपने मेरी प्रीवियस वीडियो देखी है हमारी थ्योरी क्लासेस, तो आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा कि सबसे पहले पोजिशनिंग चेंज की जाती है. तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो होगा ऑप्शन 3 प्लेस द क्लाइंट इन टेंडलबर्ग पोजीशन. Next question. What complication should a pregnant lady be monitored for who has admitted to the hospital with a diagnosis of severe preeclampsia in the last trimester? Option 1 8 periods of fetal movement followed by quiet periods. Option 2 enlargement of the breast. Option 3 complaint of feeling hot when the room is cool. Fourth है evidence of petachy and purpura. इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन फोर्थ, एविडेंस ऑफ टैकी एंड परप्यूरा। Next question: which of the following initial nursing assessment has to be performed on a pregnant lady after attaching the electronic fetal movement in a labor room? Option 1: assess the baseline fetal heart rate, and option 2: determine the intensity of contraction. Option 3 है identify the types of acceleration. Option 4 है determine the frequency of contraction. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा? ऑप्शन 1: assess the baseline fetal heart rate. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: व्हाट इज अर्ली ऑनसेट नियोनेटल सेप्सिस? ठीक है, तो ऑप्शन 1 है 12 आवर के बाद, विद इन 12 आवर। ऑप्शन 2 है विद इन 24 आवर। ऑप्शन 3 है 48 आवर्स के अंदर। ऑप्शन 4 है 72 घंटों के अंदर। तो इसका आंसर जो है वो करेक्ट होगा फोर्थ, 72 घंटों के अंदर अगर डेवलप हो रहा है इन्फेक्शन तो वो दर्शाता है नियोनेटल सेप्सिस को। Next question: which of the following condition means red boy according to the origin of its terminology? Option 1: kwashiorkor. Option 2: globinopathy, cystic fibrosis, marasmus. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या जाने वाला है? फर्स्ट, kwashiorkor. How much potassium chloride is present in an oral rehydration solution? Option 1: 1.5 gram. Option 2: 2.5 gram. Option 3: 2.9 gram. And option 4: 3.5 gram. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा 1.5 gram. Which of the following is not a nursing care expect for a child with hemophilia? Option 1: advice to use a soft toothbrush. Option 2: advice to keep fingernails short. Option 3: advice to get circumcised. Option 4: advice to wear padded clothing and a helmet while playing. इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन 3: advice to get circumcised. Next question: which of the following neural tube defect there is a protrusion of meninges with spinal tissue and CSF? Option 1: spina bifida occulta. Option 2: meningocoeli. Option 3: myomeningocoeli. Option 4 है meningomyocoeli. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन 2: meningocoeli. Which of the following is the correct sequence for phases of bacterial growth curve? Option 1 है decline, log, lag and stationary. Option 2 है lag, log, stationary and decline. And third and fourth. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होने वाला है ऑप्शन 2: lag, log, stationary and decline. How are gram stain results differentiate between gram positive bacteria and gram negative bacteria? Option 1: gram positive result are purple and gram negative result are pink. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर आप सीक्वेंस देख सकते हैं। इसका करेक्ट आंसर वाला है ऑप्शन 1: ग्राम पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स आर पर्पल एंड ग्राम नेगेटिव रिजल्ट्स आर पिंक. Next question: choose the correct statement for Crousing sign. Option 1: ischemia induced carpal spasm by inflating the blood pressure curve. Option 2: twitching of facial muscle and when the facial nerve is tapped. Option 3 है tremor, rigidity and bradykinesia, hypokinesia. Option 4 has sudden and severe attack of pain, swelling, redness and tenderness in the joint. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन 1: ischemia induced carpal spasm by inflating the blood pressure curve. Mr. X underwent bariatric surgery and developed iron deficiency associated with dumping syndrome. Identify the reason for iron deficiency anemia. Option 1: weak and unable to eat properly. And option 2: severe loss of blood during surgery. Option 3 है poor absorption of calcium and iron due to surgery. Option 4 है uncontrolled gastric emptying of fluid high in carbohydrate into small intestine. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होने वाला है ऑप्शन 3: poor absorption of calcium and iron due to surgery. Next question: which part of the body release catecholamines in a response to stress? Option 1: hypothalamus. Option 2: adrenal medulla. Option 3: cerebral cortex. Option 4 है adrenal cortex. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होने वाला है ऑप्शन 2: adrenal medulla. What is telangiectasis? Option 1: dilated superficial cutaneous small blood vessels. Option 2: increased prominence of superficial veins, ऑप्शन थर्ड है hypertrophied scar beyond wound margin, ऑप्शन फोर्थ है redness occurring in patches। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होने वाला है? ऑप्शन वन, dilated superficial cutaneous small blood vessels। Next question. Presence of clot and inflammation in a vein are features of which of the following options? Option 1, phlebitis. Option 2, air embolism. Option 3 है thrombophlebitis and option 4 है hematoma। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या जाने वाला है? thrombophlebitis। Which of the following statement is not related to the compensatory stage in shock? Option 1, patient's skin is hot and sweaty. Option 2, patient blood pressure remain within normal limits. Option 3 है patient display fight or flight response. And option 4 है aldosterone, an antidiuretic hormone. तो इसका correct answer है patient's skin is hot and sweaty is the correct answer for this question. Next question. What is the normal PaCO2 range of arterial blood sample? 30 से 40 and 35 से 40, 35 से 45 and 40 से 45। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होने वाला है? 35 से 45। 35 to 45 mmHg is the correct answer for this question. Mr. Roy is diagnosed with bronchial asthma and is being treated for the same with corticosteroids. What are the anticipated side effects? Option 1, irritated throat, oral thrush, dry mouth. Option 2, bad taste, dry mouth, dry cough. Option 3 है osteoporosis, obesity and immunosuppression. Option 4 है headache, dizziness, nausea and vomiting. As you all know, corticosteroid जो है वो osteoporosis करते हैं, weight बढ़ाते हैं and immune suppression का काम भी करते हैं। तो इसका correct answer है option 3rd. Next question. If a nurse evaluates an ECG and finds sawtooth P waves, yes, you heard it right, sawtooth P wave, what would be the diagnosis? So option 1, atrial fibrillation. Option 2, sinus arrhythmia. Option 3, premature junctional complex. Option 4 है atrial flutter। इसका correct answer होने वाला है atrial flutter। Osler knots are a feature of option 1, infective endocarditis. Option 2, rheumatic endocarditis. Option 3 है pericarditis. Option 4 है myocarditis। तो इसका correct answer होने वाला है infective endocarditis। Next question. The patient is posted for an intravenous spirogram. Which of the following is the correct intervention? Option 1, assess for iodine sensitivity. Option 2, encourage fluid intake. Option 3 है administrate analgesics. Option 4 है administer sedative। तो इसका correct answer होने वाला है assess for iodine sensitivity। Next question. Identify the classical manifestation of a Parkinson disease. Option 1, dysarthria, rigidity, and bradykinesia. Option 2, bradykinesia, ataxia, dysarthria. Option 3, tremor, ataxia, drowsiness. Option 4, tremor, rigidity, and bradykinesia. तो इसका correct answer होने वाला है tremor, rigidity, and bradykinesia. Option 4 is the correct answer for. Next question. A 30-year-old adult met with a motor vehicle accident 3 days ago and has been diagnosed with fat embolism syndrome. Identify the type of fracture that has occurred. Option 1, vertebra fracture. Option 2, carpal fracture. Option 3, femur fracture. And option 4 है rib fracture. तो इसका correct answer क्या जाने वाला है? femur fracture के कारण आपको fat embolism syndrome देखने को मिलता है। Next question. What is endogamy? Option 1, marrying within the same culture or ethnic group. Option 2, marrying a man belonging to a caste lower than the woman. Option 3, marrying a woman belonging to a caste lower than the man. Option 4 है marrying into a different culture and ethnic group. इसका correct answer होगा option 1, marrying within the same culture and ethnic group. Next question. Separation of subject cases not longer than the longest usual incubation period is called. Option 1, surveillance. Option 2, isolation. Option 3, monitoring. And option 4 है quarantine. इसका correct answer है quarantine. As per international WHO health regulation, occurrence of which of the following disease is to be notified to? Option 1, typhoid. Option 2, tuberculosis. Option 3, plague. And option 4 है rabies. That's the correct answer क्या होने वाला है? Plague. Plague is the correct answer for this question. The measurement of occurrence of some particular event in a population expressed the per thousand at given period of time is known as option 1 ratio, option 2 rate, option 3 proportion, option 4 age specific proportion. इसका correct answer है option 2 rate. Rate is the correct answer for this question. Next question. A type of research that is undertaken within defined period of time on a group of people who share common characteristics is called a option 1 case study, option 2 control study, option 3 cohort study, option 4 proportional study. Thus the correct answer होगा cohort study. Option 3 is the correct answer. Which of the following is not the way to acquire active immunity? Option 1 exposed to the disease, option 2 antibody transfusion, option 3 vaccination, option 4 exposed to subclinical infection. इसका correct answer होगा antibody transfusion. Next question. Which community is also known as Health Survey and Development Community? Option 1 Chadda Community, option 2 Bhore Community, option 3 Mudaliar Community, option 4 Mukherjee Community. The correct answer hoga Bhore Community. Option 2 is the correct answer. Of the following is an airborne disease? Option 1 diphtheria, option 2 hepatitis B, and option 3 hepatitis A and filariae. इसका correct answer है option 1 diphtheria. Next question. The most common source of infection for botulism is option 1 contaminated water, option 2 canned vegetables, option 3 contact with infected cattle, option 4 rotten egg. इसका correct answer होगा canned vegetables. Loss to follow up in tuberculosis treatment means that the option 1 treatment is interrupted for 30 days. Option 2 treatment is interrupted for 2 doses. Option 3 treatment is interrupted for 2 consecutive months or more. Option 4 है patient dies during course of treatment. इसका correct option है 3rd treatment is interrupted for 2 consecutive months or more. Next question. The free chlorine which is expected to be available after 1 hour of chlorination is option 1 0.5, option 2 1 mg, option 3 5 mg, option 4 1 mg. इसका correct answer होगा 1 0.5 mg. A nurse asks a patient to remember an address consisting of 4 to 5 lines that is not known to the patient. About 5 to 10 minutes later, she asks the patient to repeat the address. Which aspect of patient memory is the nurse teaching? Option 1 immediate memory, option 2 recent memory, option 3 remote memory, option 4 delayed memory. The correct answer है recent memory. What is the therapeutic use of self? Option 1 process of understanding one's own beliefs, thoughts and motivation. Option 2 ability to use one personality consciously and in full awareness. Option 3 behavior, feeling and thoughts about the individual known to him, her or as well as others. Option 4 है private things about the individual known only by him or her. So the correct answer होगा option 2 ability to use one personality consciously and in full awareness. Next question है what is the term used to describe an irrational fear of being in place away from the familiar setting of one's home? Option 1 brontophobia, option 2 claustrophobia, option 3 agoraphobia and option 4 है acrophobia. The correct answer होगा option 3 agoraphobia. Which of the following is not a symptom of alcohol withdrawal? Option 1 tremors, option 2 profuse sweating, option 3 है persistent insomnia and option 4 है redness of the face. इसका correct answer होगा redness of the face. Which of the following is not a sign of Alzheimer dementia? Option 1 memory loss, option 2 disorientation, option 3 misplacing things and option 4 है lose of weight. इसका correct answer है loss of weight. Next question. Relative of Mr. Alex admitted him to a psychiatric hospital after an application made to the magistrate supported by 2 medical officers. According to the Indian Mental Health Act, Mr. Alex got admitted under which of the following types of admission? Option 1 admission under voluntary basis, option 2 admission under reception order, option 3 admission after inquisite order and option 4 है admission under special case. तो इसका correct answer होगा admission under reception order. What is meant by thought broadcasting? Option 1, unpleasant expression of thoughts. Option 2, delusion that one's thoughts can be heard by others. Option 3 है delusion that one's thoughts are being controlled by others. Option 4 है experience of thoughts being removed from one's mind. इसका correct answer होगा delusion that one's thought can be heard by others. Next question. The purpose of social guidance is to option 1, identify learning difficulties. Option 2, assist individual in physical development. Or option 3, develop leadership qualities. And option 4 has help student develop fees. So the correct answer होगा option 3, develop leadership qualities. The subject matter, clinical experience and practice that our faculty plan and implement for a particular group of students is called option 1, philosophy, option 2, curriculum, option 3, clinical teaching method, and option 4, counseling. Is the correct answer है curriculum. Next question. The superiority style where a nursing supervisor behave like a parent or give consistent guidance and direction to his/her subordinates is called option 1, democratic style. Option 2, autocratic style. Option 3, benevolent style. Option 4 है informal style. तो इसका correct answer होगा benevolent style. The answerability of a staff nurse to his/her nursing superintendent is also known as option 1, responsibility. Option 2, accountability. Option 3, authority. And option 4 है delegation. इसका correct answer है accountability. A type of sample method that is used wherever it is hard to locate subjects by the researcher on self is called option 1, sequential sample. Option 2, snowball sampling. And option 3, stratified random sampling. And option 4 has systematic random sampling. इसका correct answer होगा snowball sampling. Superior and subordinates relationship based on the number of level of responsibility reaching from the top to bottom of the organization is called as option 1, decentralization. Option 2, span of control. Option 3, unity of command. Option 4 है scalar chain. इसका correct answer होगा option 4, scalar chain. The measurement of numerical value of a population is called option 1, static. Option 2, parameters. And option 3 है median. Option 4 है precision. तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या है इसका ऑप्शन 2, पैरामीटर्स. थे आपके प्रीवियस ईयर के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एंड रिपीटेटिव क्वेश्चन. प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन करवाए हैं. अब आप जितने क्वेश्चन करवाए हैं 70 है या 71 है, आप उनमें से अपने स्कोर देखिए आपका स्कोर कितना बैठ रहा है. अगर 60 से ऊपर है तो विश यू गुड लक, आप बहुत अच्छी थ्योरी याद है. एंड प्लीज़ हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आपके कितने नंबर आए. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, क्वेश्चन अच्छे लगे हो एंड आप पार्ट 2 चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा चैनल को. एंड आप हमें टेलीग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं, लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. अगर आपको ओबीजी एंड साइकेट्री की थ्योरी क्लासेस चाहिए तो आपको हमारे चैनल पे मिल जाएंगे फ्री में बिल्कुल. एंड थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग गाइस दिस वीडियो.